Welcome back. Today we are going to fill our bird feeders in our bird feeder in our way. First we put the bird food into the cans.
Why do we put them in the cans?
Because this is harder to lift
Okay.
than the cans, because the cans don't weigh that much.
And why do we use that can?
The cans?
Why do you use that can?
This one?
Because that can is almost exactly the amount of food we need to completely fill the bird feeder. Okay?
Okay.
It's about the same amount.
Daddy.
Anything else you want to say about your birds?
No.
What type of birds? What type of bird food is it?
It's wild bird food.
What type of bird do you really want to see out there?
Let me see.
No, don't tip it
A
over.
blue jay?
That's what you keep saying. You want to see a blue jay.
Because blue jays eat this.
We have to use these because this bag is too heavy.
Yes. How heavy is that, Dee?
Like,
Staka, do you know?
probably like 80 pounds? 40 pounds?
40 pounds. That's pretty heavy. We're probably only going to put about 2 pounds out at a time. Okay? Okay, I'll dump the bird food. You want to film?
What?
Yes.
What?
My dad is going to pour the bird food into the bucket. We fill the bird food into the top. And then we switch.
No, maybe it's going to be more than 2 pounds per coffee can. We use a little more than half the bag. So that's about 20 pounds. So each of those cans, let's say...
Can I flatten it down?
Sure. 20 divided by 4. Do you know that yet? You haven't done a lot of division yet in school.
20.
Divided by 4. You ready?
Yes.
Do you know what half of 20 is?
No.
What plus what equals 20?
10?
10 plus 10, so there's half. What's half of 10? What plus what equals 10?
5 plus 5.
5 plus 5. So, if I go 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that was 4 5s. That's 20. Okay?
So we just divided.
You just divided. So 20 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we figure this is 20 pounds we put here, right?
Yes.
20 divided by 4 is 5.
So we just divided.
So each of these cans is about 5 pounds.
Daddy, I want my gloves.
We're estimating. We don't know for certain. We did not weigh them.
I want my gloves.
Okay. I don't have your gloves.
Okay.
I don't know where they're at
So
right
we
now.
just-
Can you
so-
put the caps on, please?
So this would be like now like 10 or 20 pounds.
That's about 20 pounds, maybe a little less.
So if we divide 5, 5, 5, 5, that's dividing.
Well, that's not dividing. You just did addition. Okay, can you put the last 2 tops on, please?
Yes. Can I wipe my hands? They're
Daddy.
all dirty.
On me.
Daddy.
Wipe them on me.
Daddy.
Not giving me 5. Wipe them on me. Grab the last 2 tops and put them on so we can carry one out.
Daddy.
Just one second.
Come here. Okay, so do we need all 4 of these cans right now? No. We really only need 1. We only have 1 bird feeder that we can use right now.
Why can't
In our house.
Why can't we use the other one?
The other one is not hanging up. We don't have a way to hang it. Here. You gonna carry this out? Come on. 2 hands.
David.
Let's go to our bird feeder. You walk.
Dave,
Yes.
I told you it's not. It's in that box. In the dragon box. It's almost in, but it's in it. So you don't have to say no.
Turn. So here's our bird feeder. Can you reach the bird feeder and get it off?
Yes. Without anything.
How do we open that bird feeder? Do you remember?
The top. That's how you open it. You open the
Okay.
top.
Can you pour that without spilling? Don't take the top off now. Keep it flat.
Just 1 second.
1 hand on the top, 1 hand on the bottom. Pour it just a little at a time, not the whole thing at once. Keep going. Give it a little shake. There you go. You don't have to keep doing it. Is there anything left in that can?
No.
Not really, right?
Not really. So now we can flatten it out.
Okay, what do we do? How do we keep the rain out?
Open back the top.
Okay, lift the wire. Lift the wire.
Lift it.
Lift it. Now push down on the roof. Lift on the wire and push on the roof at the same time. So lift and push down. Now see the food down there? Did the food come out?
No.
Yeah, not really. So what do the birds do? No, they don't flick it around.
They eat it.
As they start to eat it,
It's wet down
the
here.
food starts coming out.
It's
The grass is a
raining.
little wet. It's about 10:30 in the morning.
It's raining.
It's not raining. It's dew. And it did rain overnight. Come here. Hey, you hold.
Can we put some in the house?
The bird house. The bird house.
Okay. So now we have a full bird feeder that'll last somewhere between 1 and 5 days, depending on how quickly the birds come.
Can I go get it? Bye.
So what did we do?
We put bird food in our bird feeder. Thank you, and remember to subscribe.